Today I'm very excited to share with you a complete tour of this off-grid farmhouse that has been long awaited on this channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I'll dive right into it. It is evident the kind of changes that have transitioned in this home since we were last here. The last time we were here, you noticed that this area was not covered by this extension of the Mabati. The Mabati used in this case is the crimpled type of curved roof, and it is beautifully creating a shade where people can just chill and relax, especially on an afternoon that is quite hot like the one we have today. One by one and 2 by 2 square tubes have been effectively used to create a space that is quite artistic yet calming at the same time. The African theme has also been maintained in this area, and more decorative patterns are going to be installed so that when someone sits here, you can actually feel the breeze, experience the peace, and nurse the afternoon away, especially given that the front view of this house is actually just facing the farm. So you can also just sit here and relax as you watch the farm activities taking place. Well, that is the resting area. So let us get right into the house so that we see what we have in store in this beautiful, beautiful off-grid Mabati house. So what do we have here? Let us see. On my extreme end to the left, we have, if you notice the 3 units on the wall, those are the solar units, which I'm going to handle in a few minutes from now. So you have all the reasons to stay here. This means that even the electrical works that you see on your screen right now are being fully powered by the solar system. Then, of course, when we were last here, we had the gypsum fundis working on the ceiling, and we witnessed that this is now a done deal, except for a few rooms here and there that I will have an opportunity to feature eventually as soon as they're done. So this is the living area. I really like the electrical fittings. They look very immaculate and they enhance the beauty of this room. I don't know if you agree with me. The electrician played a bit with this because you can have it in a different set. You can just have it dim and well lit like you can see now. If you want the disco lights, you can put it on. Sometimes if you just want a dim orange glow, you can also have that. So I love the diversity that the electrician put in to this space. The living area is also very vast and spacious. It is well lit. I also love the minimalistic nature of the furnishing and fittings. I think it makes the room appear very calm and elegant at the same time. I don't know what you think. Please share with me your thoughts in the comment section. And in case you are wondering, the wall has also been done using gypsum. So both the ceiling and the walls have been done by gypsum. And now allow me to take you to the rest of the rooms, starting with this one here. So this is one of the said bedrooms. The house is a 3-bedroom house with a shared WC area. So this is one of the rooms that is still being worked on. The last time we were here, you remember this room was being painted. So this is how it looks right now. It only awaits electrical fittings on the gypsum and it is good to go. The curtain rods were fixed already. And then right on to my right, we have a small corridor that leads to one of the other bedrooms and to the washroom area. So this is the third bedroom. The master bedroom you'll get to see in the next edition. It looks calm, it is of a good size, and the owner of this premise intends to have a commercial setup for this house as much as they are also living here. So if you're someone who wants to come here for a homestay, as soon as they're done, you'll have the opportunity to do that because they are availing these services. So you just come, you check in, you can cook for yourself in a very wonderful kitchen that you're going to see in a short while from now. As far as meals are concerned, the food is available in the gardens and they're organically produced. So you also get a chance to make your own meals and have a lovely time in a very homely environment. So let us get right into the washroom area. It is one of the very exciting areas that I've found in this house. So of course there's that where you get to do your business. It has a bidet shower, as you can see. Then this is a very interesting corner in this section of the house. So I'd like to mention that what you see on the wall is concrete blocks. So there's no gypsum here because of course this is an area that comes into contact with water most of the time. So they made the walls using concrete blocks. And then you see the worktop on my left. This one is a granite top that has been effectively put here to hold up most of the things that you see, including this wash basin. I love how artistic it looks because it just sits modestly on the granite top. And then there's this interesting mirror on the wall. I've never seen such before. This is my first time. So this button that I touch, it's actually a touch screen. So you just touch and the light comes on in case you do not want to use the overhead light. Then the other button on the left is meant for clearing fog on the mirror. And that bit, alongside with the fact that this home harvests their own rainwater, completes the circuit nature of the house being an off-grid farmhouse because they do not have a direct access to electricity and they do not have a direct access to water. Then you've seen the living area. So we've crossed back to the left extreme end of the house and this is the kitchen. Look at how lovely it is. So the fittings have been done by a company called Pneumatic. And let me interrupt the kitchen session a bit so that I can show you the solar panels on the roof. So you notice that there are 10 huge panels on the roof, each of which have a connection that lead into the solar unit in the house that you're going to see in a short while. So these panels have been screwed on top of the roof. So chances that someone can walk in and quickly or very easily lift them off the roof is very minimal, especially if people are in the house. Of course, you get to hear movement on the roof. So each of those connections come into the house at this unit that you see here. And this unit was installed in this house by a Kenyan company called Felicity. You can even see their brand. Their brand has been imprinted on the gadgets. So there are these 5 batteries. I don't know the voltage. If you're someone who understands these things or if you're interested, just feel free to find the company called Felicity on the internet. So I was telling you about the solar connection. It is able to power most of the electronic appliances in this house. This includes the microwave that you've just seen. That allowance there is for the oven that is yet to be installed. You can see some appliances like the NutriBullet. They also have this toaster. Most of these appliances are actually being powered by the solar system, including a hot water kettle. It is also notable that some of the appliances that are being supported by the solar system in this house include this double door fridge. I don't know about the wattage. It's a Beko brand. Let me see. It's written 150 watts. So I'm aware that if you want to calculate the amount of energy that is needed to power these kind of appliances, you get to multiply the wattage by the number of hours that an appliance is attached onto the source of power. We also have this dispenser. I don't know how much wattage it consumes. Let us see. It is not indicated, but I'm aware that all these appliances are usually in use for a particular number of hours in the day, and they are fully supported by the solar system that I've just shown you. And now let me take a glass of water as I give you a few minutes so that you may enjoy the ambience in the kitchen.